Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about aggregation function in MySQL. So let's start it. So there are different kind of aggregation function available in the MySQL. First, we need to understand that what is meant by aggregation. Aggregation is nothing but whenever you have to perform some operation. Let's suppose if you want to find out the maximum value. Let's suppose if you want to find out the minimum value. Let's suppose if you want to calculate the sum, average, count. In that case, we use this aggregation function. Along with that, we are going to learn about the group by function in this video. So let's see how we can perform this task with the help of MySQL. So in this tutorial, I am going to use address table here. So I am here you can see I write one query select star from address. If I run this, you can see in the address column, address ID, address, address to, district, city ID, postal code, phone, location and last updated columns are available. Now let's suppose if I want to calculate how many records are available here. So how many records in the sense? Count of the numbers, count of the records. So how I can count the records? So with the help of count function, I can do that thing. So simply you have to write select count star. Count star means for all column I have to count the records. So if I run this, you can see it will show me the output as 603. It indicates that 603 records available in this particular address table. Now let's suppose if you want to calculate the count of particular column. So in that case you can mention that column name. So here you can see as I write select count of star. It means that all the columns, and in next you can see as after comma I write count address. So it means that I want to count the records on address column. Similarly after comma you can see I write address 2 also. So I require the total observation in address to column also. So if I run this, you can see it will show me the three different values. Count of all columns is nothing but 603. Count of address column is also 603 and count of address to column is 599. Why this 599? Because I think that four null means missing values available in the address column, address to column. That's why it is showing 599 records. Now here you can see I am using the group by command here. Group by is the command that is useful to group your value in a one group. So whatever distinct or unique value available in your record, it will group into a one group. So whenever you have to create a group, in that case you can create a user group by command. Now here you can see I am writing select district count star. So I am counting the unique district available in the address column. What is my main aim in this particular query? What are the unique district available in the address column? So to check the unique district available in the address column, first I have to create the group of district column. Because what group by will do? Group by will check all the unique value and it make a group of it. So here you can see I write select district and after that I use count function from address column. I am creating a group of district and I am using order by function. With the help of order by, I am simply arranging my result into a decreasing order. So here you can see Buenos Aires 10 times appear in the address column. California 9 times. West Bengali 9 times. Without group by function, you are not able to count the value like this. That's why group by is very important when you have to do some kind of aggregation function. Now, let's see having, how we can use the having. Most of the time, we will see some difference in the where and having. Where and having both are useful for the filtration purpose. Whenever you want to apply any kind of filter in the MySQL, we use having and where command. But having works only with the aggregation function. Let's suppose if you perform any kind of operation, aggregation operation, let's suppose count, sum, max, min. In that scenario only having will work and where will work with non-aggregator record. Okay, so whenever you have to apply the filter on non-aggregate record, in that case you can go with the where command, and whenever you have to perform a filter on the aggregator operator. In that case, you can go with the having command. So same code, same query I am writing here. Select district count star from address column. Group, I am creating a group with the help of district column. Now I want to check that how many districts are there where the count is greater than 5. So in previous query you can see you are getting the output, like this, but I am filtering out the record as the count number is greater than 5. So now it will show you those record where count is greater than 5. So let me run this one more time. Now you can see here it is showing me those records where count is greater than 5 only. See 6, 7, 8, and I am getting only 9 records here. Okay. So in this way you can use group by and having command. Now let's see some of the more aggregator function also. So here first I will show you the film table. In film table I have title ID, description, release year, language ID, then rental duration, rental rent, length, replacement cost, renting, special feature, and last updated column is available. Now if I want to check the minimum value, so you have to use the min function. Whenever you have to check the maximum value, in that case you can go with the max function. Whenever you have to calculate the sum, in that case you can go write sum, and whenever you have to calculate the average, in that case you can simply write average. If I run this, you can see minimum value available in the rental duration column is 3, maximum value available in the rental duration column is 7, sum of the rental duration will be 4985, and average of the rental duration will be 4.9850. Okay, in this way you are able to do this thing. Now here you can see, if I again run this film column and if I show you the ratings, you can see PG, G, NC 17, GG, PG, PG 13. This kind of values are available. Now let's suppose if I want to create a group of this particular column. So for that also we require the group by function. It will show you the value according to each group, PG, G, NC and G. If I run this, you can see for PG, sum of rental duration will be 986. For G, sum of rental duration will be 861. For NC 17, sum of rental duration will be 1080. For PG 13, 1127, and for R 931. In this way, we can use the aggregator function along with group by having command. So this is all about for today's video. Goodbye.